Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a proper audience targeting in Google Ads. I realize that some people might be confused, so that is why I had to create a separate video to show you how you can, pick your targeted audience in Google Ads, just like you do with Facebook, where you choose people, you know, with specific targets that people that you want them to see your ads. So you can do the same with Google. In fact, Google has lots of things that other platforms do not have. Okay. So when you are in your asset group, right? You are in your assets, you're in your asset group. So by now, you guys probably recognize this part of Google Ads, right? So you can scroll down. You scroll down. In the former video, there was a place we named our audience Nigerian audience one. So you scroll down, right? You scroll down, you come to signals, right? You come to signals. So this is the place where you keep put your keywords people can use to search for your products. And then here you see audience signals, right? This is where we chose Nigerian audience one, and then we chose our age, the age that we wanted. Now you can click on this icon, edit audience. You can click on the icon so that you can edit your audience and put in anything you want. So here is what we named our audience. Here is your data, people who have previously interacted with your business. You can add new segment of people, right? You click on new segment. Here you can add new segment of people. Okay. You can add new segment of people, YouTube users, people who interacted with your YouTube channel or videos. You can create this, okay? You can create new segments. But where I want to draw your attention specifically is in interest and detailed demographics. You see, people based on their interests, life events, or detailed demographics. You click on it. So here, there is a column here where you can find people, okay? See, in search, Google is already giving you a list of likely people who are going to interact with your ad. You see, advertising and marketing services, social media enthusiasts, SEO and SEM services. So you can choose these people or you can browse. Okay, if you browse on Google's detailed audience, you will see a segment that is in market, life events, detailed demographics, affinity, right? Affinity. It says affinity here. Okay, if you click, and then the last one is, let me drag this a bit. The last one is custom interest. Like if you click on affinity, okay, you're going to see people who like banking and finance. You can view this here, people grouped to their habits and preferences relating to personal finance and banking, beauty and wellness, food and drinking, lifestyle and hobbies, media and entertainment. So this is where you put your target. And guys, before now, I've shown you a video on how you can use AI to generate a list of people who are interested in your ad, or rather who will be interested in your ads, right? You can use AI to generate your audience, and then you can pick those audience and come here and search for them. Okay, you come here and search for them and you target these people using Google Ads. At this point, I remember quite well the first time I ran Google Ads. Like I wasn't prepared for the sheer amount of people, prospects, leads that Google was about to send to me. I wasn't prepared. Okay. So I remember the first time I ran Google Ads, and there were lots of leads coming into my profile. There were lots of people viewing the website, viewing the landing page, and I literally had nowhere to take them. I had to pause the ad, right? I had to pause the ad because this much people were coming and I had no idea what to do with them or how to convert them. So, guys, before you run Google Ads, make sure you are prepared for the amount of information Google is about to send to you. Because trust me, Google Ads is something else. Google has a lot of places that they can draw people from and bring them to you, right? With the right amount of budget, Google Ads is like the best. Okay, Google Ads is the best. Okay, you get quality leads in Google Ads. So this is for affinity. And this is for custom interest. Okay, you can generate custom interest here, and then you can choose a market. Okay, people, this is an explanation of it. These are people interested in purchasing or leasing a car, motorcycle, truck, or other vehicles. Okay, these are cars, and then these for apparels in case you are selling apparels. Okay, so um okay, this is for business industry, this is for business services. Okay, people interested in business to business products or services. Okay, you can click on them as your targeting. Okay, so once you use AI to generate a list of your audience, right, you can always come here and search for those audience. So these media, people interested in media and entertainment. Okay, so yeah, so live events, you can click on this, you see an explanation of who these people are. People who are preparing to renovate a home. Okay, these are people who are preparing, right? Marriage, moving, new pets, purchasing a home, retirement, business creation. Okay, people who are about to form a new business or have recently formed a new business. So this will be a good target for you. Okay, people who are about to graduate or have recently graduated from college or university, this will still be a good, target for you. So you can pick all this, right? You can pick these things. Okay, and here is your targeting. Here is your detailed targeting now. Okay, you have generated your detailed targeting, and then you can save. All right, you can save. So guys, this is it. This is how you pick. Okay, this is how you pick your detailed targeting with Google Ads, right? And then you can always see your score, your campaign optimization score, which is here 90.3, showing you how your ad will perform well with the required budget that you put in. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new with this video, and I'll see you in the next one.